Welcome to Podcast English, slow, clear, and natural English for a better you. Hello and welcome to this peaceful corner of the internet. This is your personal time, your quiet space to listen, to learn, and to grow your confidence. My name is Layla, and I am truly delighted that you chose to spend these moments here at Podcast English to develop your language skills. In this session, I will speak very slowly, using simple words and clear pronunciation. My goal is for you to follow me step by step, feeling calm and relaxed. Please, never worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are not a sign of failure. They are the beautiful evidence that you are learning and growing. You don't need to be perfect today. You only need to be brave enough to try. So, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, listen carefully, repeat after me, and most importantly, smile while you do it. Many people believe that mastering English is like climbing a giant cold mountain. They think it requires many hours of boring study or traveling far away to London or New York. But let me tell you a secret. That is not true. You don't need to live in a foreign country, and you don't need to spend all your money on expensive courses. You also don't need to memorize every complex grammar rule from day one. What you really need are small, consistent steps. Simple steps you can take every single day, right where you are. 5 minutes while you drink your coffee, or 10 minutes before you sleep. This is how your mind grows. English is not a race. It is a long, beautiful journey. In this episode, we will use easy words and clear ideas so you can feel safe and ready to speak. Today, I want to show you a powerful method called shadowing. It is a natural way to learn, just like a child learns to speak by listening to their mother. Shadowing means being a shadow to the speaker. You hear the sound and you repeat it immediately, following the rhythm, the tone, and the emotion. Don't worry about the meaning of every single word right now. Just focus on the music of the language. Let's try it together. I will say a sentence and then I will wait for you to repeat it with the same calmness. I am becoming more confident every day. Now, repeat after me. I am becoming more confident every day. Learning English is a joyful experience. Your turn. Learning English is a joyful experience. I speak clearly and I feel proud. Repeat it with a smile. I speak clearly and I feel proud. Excellent. You are doing a wonderful job. Your brain and your mouth are starting to work together in a new way. If you practice this for just a few minutes a day, you will be surprised at how naturally the words begin to flow. Now, let me share with you 5 simple but life-changing rules to reach fluency. Rule 1. Active listening. Your ears are the gateway to your tongue. Listening every day makes the language feel like home. Listen to this podcast or a simple story while you are walking or cooking. Repeat after me. I listen to English every day. Rule 2. Speak out loud. Don't keep English trapped inside your head. It needs to be heard. Even if you are alone, describe your day. Say, I am making breakfast, or the sun is shining beautifully today. Repeat. I love speaking English out loud. Rule 3. Think in English. Stop translating in your mind. Translation is like a wall that slows you down. Start naming the things you see. A blue chair, a warm cup, a fast car. Repeat. I am training my mind to think in English. Rule 4. Read and repeat. When you read a story, read it with your voice, not just your eyes. This connects your vision with your hearing and your speech. Repeat. Reading aloud helps my pronunciation. Rule 5. Make it a daily habit. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. 10 minutes of practice every morning is much better than 3 hours once a week. Repeat. Consistency is my path to success. As we finish this session, remember these words: listen, speak, think, read, and most importantly, continue. These 5 steps are your map. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start, because the perfect moment is right now. Start today, and I promise you, in a few months, you will look back and be so proud of yourself. I am always here to support you at Podcast English. You have the power to do this, and I believe in you. Thank you for your trust. I will see you in our next episode. Keep practicing, stay positive, and have a beautiful day. Goodbye for now.